Hello everyone, I hope you're doing great. In this video, I'm going to explain how to connect your iPhone to any smartwatch. This step-by-step tutorial works no matter what smartwatch model you have, because most of them work in a very similar way. To start this tutorial, I recommend uninstalling the app if you already have it installed, and reinstalling it so everything looks exactly like it appears in this video. Now let's begin. The first thing I recommend is to make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on. After that, if you don't know which app your smartwatch uses, check the user manual or the smartwatch box. It usually shows the logo of the app. If you don't find it, look for the QR code inside your smartwatch. It may appear as an icon in the main menu or inside the settings. Scan the QR code with your phone's camera, just like you see in the video. It will take you to the App Store where you can download the correct app. When we open the app, it will ask for permission so Bluetooth can find devices. Accept that. It will also ask for activity tracking permission. Do not allow that. Then it will ask for health access. In my case, I'll tap Don't Allow, but that's your choice. In some cases, a registration screen will appear. Enter your email, or, if you see the option Skip, select it just like I do in the video. It's important to know the name of your watch. Go to your smartwatch settings and look for an option like Information or About. Once inside the app, go to Settings and look for Bind Device or Link Device. A list of devices will appear. Connect the one that matches the name and code of your watch that you verified earlier. If your watch doesn't appear on the list, reset it to factory settings or restart it and try again. If your smartwatch still doesn't appear in the device list, it's probably because it's already connected to your phone's Bluetooth. To fix this, go to your Bluetooth settings, manually disconnect it, and then try searching for it again in the app, just like I do in the video. Once it's connected, a pop-up window will appear asking you to enable the permission that allows the app to access notifications. You must allow this so your smartwatch can receive notifications from your phone. This permission is very important. Then look for the Notifications option inside the app. Enter and enable all the notifications you want your smartwatch to receive. Go back and open the Watch Face or Display Settings section. Select the first option, tap Choose Image, and the app will ask for gallery permission. Select Limited Access, choose the picture you want, and install it. Your watch is now connected to your iPhone. If this was helpful, please comment on the video, like it, and subscribe.